So this is Energy Choices, a simulation for teaching people about the interrelationships between the energy choices we make and its impact on both the environment and the economy. The front end for this program was developed in Flash, and so it resides locally and runs in the browser. I like to use Firefox, and so you can see up here I'm just opening a file. The back end, however, was written in Java and runs on a server. It uses data from the World Bank, which is stored in MySQL tables. So to run this, you type in a username and a password, and of course those also have to be in MySQL tables. We have an account that you can use called guest, and the password is also guest. And then we sign in. And so we get this screen because we have just signed in as an administrator. And with this, we're allowed to set up a new game. This essentially says how many years this represents, seconds per year, so you can speed up or slow down the simulation. Maybe we'll do this for 3 seconds for each year. And then these are the initial choices made by all the countries. And so any country that is not being controlled by a student will have these values. When this is being used as a game, then students can make changes to this to see if they can improve the performance of their country. And we can choose to buy the cheapest fuel or not. And then we can also decide whether we're going to use cap and trade. And I'm going to say yes for that. So if I was running this in a classroom, I would wait for students to sign in before I actually started the game. But in this case, I'm just going to start the game. And so this is what we get initially. And so you notice that as you roll over the countries, you can get their data. And up here we can see a running tally of the GDP per capita, the price of the fuels, and the carbon emissions that are also being generated. And as you can see, the color of the country represents GDP per capita. So you can see some countries are doing very well, and other countries are not doing so well. And so that is it.